So let's start with the 9 secrets of content writing. So first one is keyword selection. Because so I'm sure everyone knows, or probably many of you might be knowing, but yeah, for people who do not know what keyword is, or even for people who do know about that but are not very sure about this, keyword is anything that we search on any website. For example, in case if we are accessing any website, in case if you want to search for any information, let's take an example for Google. In Google, when we are trying to find information, anything that we search is called as a keyword. So I'll give you an example. So in case if I'm looking for uh, best places to visit near me, definitely I will not be typing on Google in a way, hey Google, I am planning to visit a hill station, can you suggest what hill station can I go to? Definitely this is not the way that we search. But yeah, there are different ways that people search for these information on search engines. It can be either best places near me or best places near the name of the place. For example, near Mumbai or near Delhi or near Kolkata, near Chennai, or any place that you're referring to, or best hill stations near me, best tourist destinations, best beaches. So as per your requirements, so there are different ways that you search. So now keyword is we select the right keywords. We find out the keywords which are used most frequently on search engines, so that when we can include those words somewhere in our website. Now I'll show you how this works. So let's say if I'm searching for any information, so let's say best places to visit in India. So Google will sort it in different ways. But if you see, all of these websites that it shows will have these keywords. So the keyword that I've used is best places to visit in India. So places to visit in India, and places in India, places you need to visit in India. So yes, it has all of these things, 30 places to visit in India in 2020. I know right now it is not a great time to discuss about places to visit, because right now everyone is in quarantine. But yes, definitely once this thing is over, definitely we will be searching for these keywords. But yeah, this is just an example. So in case if you see, all the results that we are getting will have the keyword somewhere in the article. So now when we are selecting these keywords, the best place to use this keyword is either in the first is in the title of the article that we are writing about, and somewhere in the body. Now how do I use how do I decide what keywords should we use? So there are several tools which will help us, like SEMrush, SEO Profiler, Google Keyword Planner. So these are some tools which will help us in identifying what is the best keyword to use. So how these websites work is, any keyword that we search in this, so in this we'll get the option to type something, get the information. But yeah, so for example, if I want to visit, if I use this keyword as best places to visit in India, I search for this. If I take the example for Google Keyword Planner, so in Google Keyword Planner, it will show me how many searches does this keyword get average in a month. So, and it will also give me other suggestions which is related to this keyword. So in case if you think that instead of best places to visit in India, best tourist destinations in India is searched more, then instead of using best places to visit in India, it is better to include best tourist destinations in India. But yeah, that is not the only thing that we'll be using. There are different ways that we have to use keywords. That is the secret number 2.